Students are the next generation of the workforce, so it's best to expose them to the technology as early as possible. You know, we want people to grow up knowing what Mitutoyo is about.
We believe at Illinois Tech here we have industrial technology and information technology as two parts of our School of Applied Technology. And we see both of them as equal partners in the drive to push ahead American manufacturing and worldwide efficiency, success, but also train the next generation to maintain, continue, but also innovate.
It's not just hand tools anymore. I mean, there's some very serious technology. Non-contact systems with things like white light interferometry, CMMs that have a variety of sensors that can be used to measure things. It's not the old just sitting there at a bench with calipers, you know, indicators, height gauge, things like that. It's very, very, very technological. It's only going to get more so as time goes on.
The more exciting part is the interfacing of different systems these days. Digital feedback in the machine tools, for instance, that has really come a long way in the past decade, and so then it has allowed more complex mechanical systems that are more precise.
We're seeing a lot of IoT and additive manufacturing. We believe there's also an area for simulation, not virtual reality, but augmented reality, extending, enhancing what's already in existence. We believe that there's ability to supplement workers in the field, simulate entire factory floors, but make them interactive. To increase efficiencies and to increase exposure to actual technologies.
It's a very good industry to get into. It's not something that you should just end up in or you know, because your parents did it or something like that.
You can go to the store and buy a computer, right, start building a website very quickly, but you can't get a $10 million lathe and run it in your backyard. So there is a little bit of a barrier to entry in that sense, but I believe universities can lower that by having some of that machinery, embedding some of that into their curriculums. And also you need to be trained usually under someone who has senior experience. This is kind of a mentor-mentee relationship more than just read the manual. There needs to be that passing of wisdom and knowledge of expertise of running these machines for multiple years.
There is an immense amount of opportunities in the manufacturing business. It's definitely a gap. Everybody kind of just thought, I'm going to go to college and that's it. And a lot of the technical schools kind of got lost in the shuffle a little bit. I can't tell you how many job offers I get each year. They're good jobs too.
It's comfortable middle-class money for an entire lifetime.